Hi, I'm Sam with Earlex Technical Services. Welcome to our tips and troubleshooting video series. In this video, I'll explain why you might be getting too much overspray when using your SprayPort 6003. There are a couple of reasons you might get too much overspray with the sprayer. One is that you're too far away, and what you do then is you tend to crank up the fluid flow to compensate for that distance. All you get is spit like this. Spit turns into orange peel, but it also becomes overspray because there's just too much material. So one of the easiest ways I've found to adjust the gun is to set it on that detail pattern, which is the top knob on the gun. Let me turn the sprayer on. I like to spray out a dot here and see what that looks like. That actually looks pretty nice, but if I cranked it up too far, I'd be getting all kinds of spit, and this is exactly what we want to try and avoid. It's just a matter of adjusting that gun until you get a nice, clean pattern. We hope that solves your problem. If you need more help, watch our other videos, call us at the number at the bottom of the screen, or live chat us at earlex.com. Thanks for watching.